Good boy.
Hala, ganun wala. Kailan may food. Ba't yung isa lang mag-action?
Chappy, sit, turn around, roll. Chappy, sit. Down. Nope. Chappy, down.
Wala pa mag-roll na.
Hindi naturuan yan, wala pa eh. Sit. Sit. Chappy, sit. Excited ka.
Chappy, guys, saka si Cham.
Sit. Down. Down. 50-50 yan, Chappy. Chappy.
Pagkain lang pala kailangan, ano? Ay, ba't yung isa nakaupo lang? Ay, hindi talaga?
Matalino po yung nanay yan. Yan yung nanay eh. Chappy. Chappy. No, Chappy. Roll, roll. Good boy!
Grabe no, yan si Chappy guys, saka si Cham.
Spectator ka lang, may tinapos.
Nanay kasi siya, nanay.
Chappy.
Ang nanay nakaupo lang. Ang anak niya yan guys, anak niya. Ang galing. Thanks.